Bismillah ar-Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution for the different tasks about the Azure DevOps. Right now, in lecture 7, you will see how to implement branch policies and why we need this branch policies. So, in Azure DevOps channel, you will find the video prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word DevOps King. You will find the channel. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In lecture number 10, Azure Repo, why and how branch policy implementation. First of all, we should know why we need branch policies. We need branch policies so that we can implement some restriction on the branches so that our environment, deployment environment and our code are secure. First of all, how to implement the branch policy? First of all, in the Azure DevOps, click on the branch link. After that, in the front of the branch, like in this case is the dev branch, you will see the 3 dots. When you click on the 3 dots, you will find the branch policy option. Click on the branch policy link. You will see the different policies of the branch, like the first one, branch policy in case of the require minimum number of viewers is 2. This policy is implemented when we implement the pull request from one branch to another branch, because when we implement this reviewer policies on the branch, then after reviewing by the senior resource, the deployment will be completed after the review of the developer. The second one is check the linked work items. In this case, in the Azure dashboard, when project manager assigns some task to the developer, then the developer will definitely add the link to the work item, like the bug, task, epic, it's in the Azure dashboard. In the next one, the branch policy is check for comment resolution. This policy come into use when we use the pull request. When a developer reviews our code, if there is an issue, then developer write the comment in the Azure dashboard. After the completion of the fix of the comments, it will be possible to check in the code. The next one is limit merge type. In this case, we shall implement the merge type of the code from one branch to another branch. Like these all options are given, you can select one of them. The next branch policy is you will see the build validation. In a build validation, we shall make sure that our build is at the required standard. In order to implement the build validation, click on the plus button. When you click on the plus button, you will see this form. In the add build policy, you will define the path for the build policy, on which path you want to implement the build policy. Like there may be a API in the source code, and when it should trigger, and required policy must be succeeded in order to complete the pull request. And at the last one, we may also implement after 12 hours, it should be updated. After implementing the build policy, we shall click the save button. Now the next branch policy is the status checks. Status check. In order to implement the status check, we shall click on the plus button. In the status check, we shall make sure that something has successfully occurred, so that our all processes according to the requirement, like the OTP, maybe OTP insertion in the database, such things in our application. So after implementing, we shall press the save button. For the last one, in the automatically included the reviewers mean when we perform the pull request from one branch to another branch, we can also implement, we add the reviewer automatically. Like when we click this, we can add people like Ali, Musa, it's in the reviewer. These people will automatically review the policy. So after implementing this, we shall press the save button. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by certified DevOps engineer. Wish you good luck for your career.